Samsung might just have a mid-range Galaxy A8s in the pipelines. Further, if a recent tweet by serial leaker Ice Universe is to be believed, it could be the first smartphone under the brand's lineup to sport the recently announced Infinity O display. From the image, we can see that the O-shaped hole is situated at the top left of the display. The design clearly lines up with what was shown earlier this month, but what is surprising is the rumor seems to imply that Samsung is giving its mid-range series the first-hand treatment instead of its premium Galaxy S and Note series unit. To recap, the Infinity O display is one of the 3 Infinity displays that was announced at Samsung's annual developers conference earlier this month. Besides the Infinity O display, the brand is also currently working on Infinity V and Infinity U displays, all of which will feature a punch hole in the shape of the variant's corresponding moniker. Besides the 3 displays, Samsung also announced its Infinity Flex foldable display. In addition to the announcement, the brand also showed off a prototype units of the display that, when opened, transforms from a 4.6-inch smartphone into a 7.4-inch tablet. At this stage, there is no additional information about the Galaxy A8s beyond the tweet, but according to gsmarina.com, the phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 660 chipset, although there is a possibility that we see a more powerful Snapdragon 670 or even Snapdragon 675 paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The back panel will boast a triple camera setup, perhaps something similar to the Galaxy A7 2018. And yeah, the best leakster and the concept curator Ben Gaskin posted a photo on his Twitter account, and he says this is the Samsung's first Infinity O smartphone, the Galaxy A8. The renders are based on leaks. So yeah guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.